Apple doesn't usually rush into new categories. When they move late, and then try to do it their way. And that's exactly why this next iPhone might be one of the most important Apple launches in years. Because for the first time ever, Apple looks ready to fold an iPhone in half. Over the last few days, the leaks around the iPhone Fold have gone from vague whispers to, wait, this might actually be real. We recently got details about the display, and now there's something even more interesting floating around online. What appears to be the physical production mold of the phone itself. Not a render, not a concept, a literal metal mold. These molds are what case and accessory makers use to design perfectly fitted products before a phone launches. Apple never hands these out publicly, but suppliers with the right connections often get access early, so their cases are ready on day one. And if this mold is legit, it tells us a lot about how Apple is thinking about foldables. When folded, this thing looks surprisingly compact. Think iPhone mini vibes, small, clean, pocket-friendly, but when you open it up, it suddenly turns into something much closer to an iPad mini in size. This isn't the tall, skinny, foldable approach we've seen from some Android phones. Apple seems to be going all in on a proper phone-to-tablet transformation. The back design is also doing something very un-Apple-like. Instead of the familiar diagonal camera layout, the lenses are stacked vertically in a straight line. And interestingly, there's no ultra-thin, experimental camera setup here. The camera bump looks more like what we're used to on regular iPhones, which suggests Apple isn't sacrificing camera quality just to make the phone thinner. There's also a circular outline on the back of the mold, and that's a pretty big deal, because that almost certainly means MagSafe. If that's true, Apple would be bringing its entire magnetic accessory ecosystem straight into the foldable world from day one. Wallets, chargers, stands, battery packs, all working with a foldable iPhone. No other foldable brand is operating at that kind of scale with accessories. Now here's where things get weird. Leaks like this almost never happen with Apple. Any company trusted with early hardware details knows that posting something like this online would be career-ending. Yet here we are with a short Instagram clip from a manufacturer claiming this is the real deal. There's barely any explanation, the caption is vague, and the source isn't exactly crystal clear. That raises two possibilities. Either this is one of the boldest Apple leaks we've ever seen, or it's an incredibly accurate replica built using leaked dimensions. But what makes this harder to dismiss is how closely it lines up with previous reports about Apple's foldable plans. The size, the form factor, the focus on polish over gimmicks, it all fits Apple's playbook. If this turns out to be real, we might be looking at Apple's most calculated move yet into a market that's existed for years, but still hasn't gone mainstream. And knowing Apple, they're not trying to be first. They're trying to be the one everyone else gets compared to. So the big question is this: would you actually want a foldable iPhone done the Apple way? Or is this a category Apple should have stayed out of? I'm curious what you think. Drop your thoughts below, and I'll see you in the next one.